Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite drinks and also a recipe which you can make at home. Anyway, today we make you a nice and lovely healthy juice for breakfast, lunch or dinner, whatever time you want to have it. So you want to have something in the morning to breakfast, you want to have a smoothie, you know what I mean, this coming really handy. It's just spinach and raspberry and also ginger, honey and lemon. Make it at home and share it with your fans and your friends and your sister, your family, and make them have a nice, lovely drink. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook like page, and also Google Plus, Chef Ricardo Cooking all the way, and my website. You can visit my website, chefricardocooking.com or chefricardo.co.uk. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and beautiful. Welcome back again, guys, in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, you know, we always find recipe and ideas which we can share with the fans, or you can make yourself healthy juice, healthy smoothie at home to stay in good shape. I always make my juice with spinach and, you know, I mean, different ideas, different ingredients, sorry guys, different ingredients and different stuff. I'm always using spinach, as I said before. This is just one handful of spinach straight inside of your smoothie blender. Look at that. That is amazing, isn't it? Nothing is inside of it except the spinach. That's one handful. Guys, the reason why I use spinach is cheap. You can get a bag of spinach for £1 or sometimes 89p. This is some frozen raspberry right here, the red one. This is a frozen one. You can get the frozen one to buy, you can buy the fresh one, but I just buy the frozen one because I'm not. So I'm gonna put roughly quarter cups inside of it like this. I don't know about anyone else, but all of these ingredients were normally used on my YouTube channel, guys. I tell you, they are just healthy and it's good for you. All of these fruits and, you know what I mean, they're just good, to be honest. So if you notice, I'm just using right here, that's the amount right there. I'm gonna put 3 pieces of ice in it. I'm gonna blend some ice just to get it really fresh. Just push it down a little bit in it. Next we're gonna put some ginger. A lot of people say, oh Chef Ricardo, you use too much ginger. Well, to be honest, I love ginger. I love to taste that warmness in my body when I'm drinking it. That's, you know what I mean, that's a little piece of a ginger. Yeah, that's the way I feel about ginger. Then we're gonna put some lemon inside of it. I'm gonna squeeze half of a lemon, get that nice lovely flavor out of the lemon straight inside of it. Make sure you squeeze it out right. Nice one. Basically I could put a little piece of a fresh mint because I got a lot of mint. Now that's a little piece of a mint. You can just simple. I'm already washed off. I won't already wash it off already. Let's put it straight inside of it. That's a little piece of fresh mint because I have a lot and I need to use it up. So different stuff. So basically, you could put more stuff if you like, but I'm just giving you an idea which you can, if you even have this at home, this is what you can make in the morning for a drink before you go to work. Little bit of water, not too much. And we're gonna put some honey inside of it, roughly a teaspoon of honey. When you're buying your honey, make sure you always buy the one which is a healthy one, because most of this honey is just sugar, so you have to be careful of the one which you do buy. And simple, come on, like just like this. Very quick and easy, guys, especially if you're not working or you're at home not having anything to do. This is where it come in handy, where you can make yourself some nice lovely drinks like this. So I'm gonna be blending this for about roughly 4 to 5 seconds. Lovely and nice, just finished blending. But guys, let's see something. Let's give it a try. Look at this, beautiful and nice. And the beauty is It tastes in that nice, lovely ginger. I love ginger. So that's exactly what I'm talking about right here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Got a lot more recipe and ideas coming out for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.